Now we've got snow everywhere. Wind, though, the bigger story, right?
Right.
With the blizzard conditions and it's reducing visibility. Take a look at the Portland Jetport right now. Tough to see the building. There's still snow on the runway and visibility down to 1/4 of a mile. We've seen winds gusting up around 50 miles an hour at the Jetport through the day today. Visibility still 1/4 of a mile. Half-mile visibility in Sanford. It's slightly improved over the last hour or so. We've got half-mile visibility along the mid-coast, but I am expecting that to drop a little bit because I'm tracking a snow band moving onto the mid-coast. More on that in a second. Blizzard has been confirmed. It has to meet very strict criteria. We needed at least 3 hours consecutively of 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts and visibility down less than 1/4 of a mile. So at our official weather stations, our official reporting sites in Portland and in Sanford, we met the criteria for a blizzard, and we've seen the impacts of it across the state, but especially along the coastline. That's where the biggest winds have been and also some of the heaviest snow totals. We did just get a report of 13 inches in the Dayton-Lyman area of snow so far. You can see this band of heavy snow across central Maine. It is starting to weaken a little bit, but it's this one pushing onto the mid-coast and keeping a close eye on because we've got to get through that before the storm finally starts to push away later on this evening. You can see those darker blues here headed toward the coastline pretty quickly. We've seen the snow lightening up a little bit in places like Lewiston, but look at Bethel and Newry getting a little burst of snow in that area now. Excuse me, we're going to see the snow for just a couple more hours. By the time we get to 8, 9, 10 o'clock, snow is winding down. We still have the wind, though. Notice 23-mile-an-hour winds at 8 p.m. still. So even once the snow shuts off, we've got blowing snow continuing to cover the roads and make for very, very tough travel, tough visibility once we lose the daylight, too. Very treacherous travel. So if you don't have to be out on the roads, stay home till tomorrow. Tonight, we're down into the teens, so we are going to see things freezing solid, very cold morning tomorrow morning, but highs around 30 tomorrow in the afternoon. Little breezy for your Tuesday, but sunshine for cleanup now that we are getting into the later part of February, right? The snow doesn't stick around as long. Let's time out the end of this here on your storm tracker. We are going to see the snow kind of becoming a little bit more lighter over the next couple hours, but still a couple of bands we'll be watching through 6, 7 o'clock, 8, 9 o'clock. Snow becomes more scattered, and then we slowly, it's going to be very slowly, but we'll see clearing into tomorrow morning for that sunshine for tomorrow. Then we've got impact weather on Wednesday. Heads up for that. We are expecting a chance for some snow across the area. We're not talking about much on Wednesday. We're talking 1 to 3 inches, maybe 4 at most. Snow looks to come in Wednesday morning, fall through midday into the early afternoon, and then move out pretty quickly later in the day on Wednesday, though we may have a little snow squall coming in to kind of put the cherry on top of that on Wednesday. So plan ahead for impact weather there, but it will be quiet for cleanup for us for tomorrow.